back tire's flat, so let's change it. Hi, Mary. Hi, Mary. Patch number 1. Patch number 2. Done by yours truly. Hi. Gotta love those quick release tires. Patch kit. Found the pokey and took it out. One of the most important processes, on top of searching for the pokey on the tire, is also making sure the rim is clean. Making sure the valve stem is straight is very important. Notice I have to go back and fix it several times. Keeping it straight doesn't poke holes into it. Been there, done that a couple of times. Lining up the chain and the brakes. How fun and exciting. Mark the inner tube with a silver marker. Easy to find, easy to patch. ASMR for a leaking air tire. So how to patch it or an inner tube. You don't have to run out and buy one from the store. You find the hole, you pump it up, which I did obviously, and you listen. Kind of where this starts. You could kind of figure out where it is. Circle it with a marker, silver obviously a good choice. And then you have your patch kit. Patches, glue, sandpaper. Sandpaper first. This is the part that touches the tire. Glue it. And leave the little plastic on. I'll hold that for about 5 minutes and then it'll be done. Pro tip, keep your sandpaper away from your patches against the paper and in the little pouch. And fast forward. See how long it takes. My friend does bike stuff, so why not? Why not write down the things I learned? Have a great day.